You're going to need two vintage teapots. I got these last year for my wedding because I used them for my table centers. I am then going to use the Global Rose fresh powder and some scissors. And these are the beautiful roses that have been opened after 3 days being hydrated. They are so beautiful. They open up really nicely. The greenery looks very fresh. So the water and the powder definitely took good care of it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the greenery first. I'm going to cut about 4 inches because they're very long and I don't want them as tall. So I am then going to add some of these eucalyptus, just very beautiful. They smell so good. I'm going to add some roses in white, and I'm going to use at least about 4 to 5 roses of each color because I want to make sure that I have roses all around the teapot in the front and the back, because once you add them to a table, people will be able to see them from different angles. So I'm placing them kind of every other color. These blush pink roses are absolutely beautiful. And then I'm going to add one on the top there as a little bit tall. So I cut some of the roses in different type of sizes so I can kind of create like a different height. I am then going to use these beautiful little flowers here, just as fillers into my little flower arrangement. I love these. I think it adds a lot of softness and romance into a flower bouquet. So I'm just filling it in, and I really love the look of this. These are much taller than the ones I used for my wedding, and I definitely love this. I really wish I would have gone with global roses for my wedding flowers.